What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Guys, remember this weekend we're gonna be at Bandas y Trocas. Don't miss out. We are gonna have a brand new girl shirt out, available in stock. This is a, let me see, what does it say? Vintage wash. Limited edition, guys. We're only gonna bring this one out a couple of times and that's gonna be it. So if you guys are gonna be at the show, make sure to pick one up. Also stop by their booth. I don't know exactly where they're gonna put us, but we are gonna be there tomorrow. We're leaving. We're gonna set up Friday and Saturday. We will see you guys there early in the morning. So also, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my Instagram, go subscribe. I haven't done any updates on the blue truck because I've been out of town, but we're back. So we're gonna be going over there and getting some updates for the subscribers. Now it is not YouTube subscriber, it's Instagram subscription. So go to the Instagram, you're gonna see a button, click that button, subscribe, and you'll be in the list of the people. I'm gonna give the truck to one of my subscribers, so go over there and subscribe. I'm also gonna be doing smaller giveaways here and there, so drop a comment what you guys think would be a good idea for us to give away. Estamos, enjoy the video. What's up, guys? We got Danny and we got Omar. Welcome back to another episode of Project Street Racing. All right, guys, so today we're gonna have Silver Bullet versus Omar LS2 and his LT53.
All motor.
6-0. Well, his is all motor too?
No, I'm just saying. It's an all motor class. Last it was boosted and freaking.
Boosted. Okay, all right, guys. So Danny, what you got in the Silver Bullet?
I got a 6.0 cam. I got 243 heads and a lot of power, baby. Ay, cabrón! Dice que era un venado.
Fucking Chewbacca. I digo, JR Fat. And then Omar, what you got in your truck, you know what I'm saying?
Just a little 5.3 that's can. If you want to know more specs, go to my channel to check that out.
What else? Well, I mean, you said you were gonna, what happened with the...
This is a race I've been wanting to do for a while. Let's just say I feel confident.
Now this one, the Shelby race was completely different. Even though we gave you 10, 20 cars, but this is a good race. Both all motor,
no slip,
so no excuses.
No drag
both
pack.
on regular set of tires. So it's gonna be a driver's race. It's gonna be a heads-up race all the way to the end of the Project Street. And guys, this could be anybody's race. I'll tell you the truth right now.
It's basically run what you brung.
Run what you brung.
Hey, and this one's the one they all been talking about, LS versus LT.
No, this is the one that Omar been talking about. Omar been talking about the LS versus the LT. Today we're gonna find out what is up. You gonna bet some money or what?
$100.
Pobrecito, 20 bucks.
No, but one that's easy for me too.
Easy money. Easy money for Omar.
Okay.
All right.
Pobrecito.
Okay.
Let's get it.
Predictions.
Gap the shit
Yeah?
out of this
Yeah,
truck. I don't care if it is a Chevy.
Damn, this guy got a good.
LT power, baby.
I just don't want you crying, Omar.
I don't want to cry.
Hey, I'm
Because I'm not going to. I'm going to turn on the bottle.
I'm gonna tell you right
Put
now,
some stuff
Omar.
in.
If he beats
10
you,
pounds.
all that shit you've been talking about,
Straight.
the LS versus LT is gonna be out the door. So make sure that you really want this race, because this race is gonna
Look,
either
I'm gonna have
it's
fun.
either gonna prove what you've been saying is true, or it's gonna say, you know what,
All these years.
Omar has been wrong all this time. So
If I
no
lose,
excuses.
LS
If I
power,
lose-
baby. LS power, baby.
if I lose, it's gonna be fun for me because the truck is finally running strong. No more hiccups.
So he actually
Like-
wins.
So even if he loses, he still wins. Okay, same thing that happened last week.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
mean, I got more tricks up my sleeve. It's not.
Oh shit, his sleeve
My
is full of tricks.
God.
Check.
It's a
My sleeve has got a tan line.
It's a 5.
Okay.
I got Daniel for car and a half, but I know Omar's still gonna have a lot of excuses. He already started with 22-inch wheels. Okay,
Yeah.
he just.
Yeah, 22
Okay,
inch
hey,
wheels.
that was just a
It's
prediction.
heavy
We
as
don't
fuck,
want.
too.
Hey, wait.
It's older. You're
Okay.
older than it.
Oh, ya lo mandó.
Con el Hellboy no te metas, hijito, por favor,
Fuck
güey.
that Hellboy.
Anda bien bravo este güey.
Hold me back.
Oh,
Hold me back.
oh shit, shit getting intense. Sacó el picayelo ya. Okay, predictions. Can continue with the predictions. Dale, Vargas.
Predictions. I got Danny, you know, because the Silver Bullet is a little bit more lighter, but it's gonna be fun because Danny is tuned for night shows too. He got like a couple grados abajo, but I got Danny. Danny, let's get it, baby.
Okay.
Let's get it.
I got Danny for the win too. 5 cars probably.
5 cars?
Porque este güey no sabe manejar.
You crashed your car.
Yo digo, I'll say Omar. He beat Freddy from a whole bridge.
Chill. Okay, come on, let's get this race going. guys, so unfortunately they raced. Omar got the win, but the camera was not working. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna rerun it. O quieren hacer un roll mejor.
Okay, otro drink or what?
He's spinning too.
I know, but I'm tired. I'm gonna fucking waste
How,
my
how,
time.
how bad did he beat you?
Like car and a half.
Oh, wait.
Where's my cow track? Where's my fucking cow track?
So what? Do you want to do a roll or just do another dick? That way we can get on video.
Te fuiste quemando hasta allá.
Le pedaleé, pinche troca, no se engancha.
It's because it's an LS. It's an LS.
Okay, now let's do it again. Let's do it again.
Y otro
Where's my coffee?
otro day.
Otro dick, yeah.
Vamos a darle.
Better coffee, better coffee.
Coffee, Starbucks for a week. Zach, you shook on it. See that?
No iba muy atrás.
Iban igual. Y de repente cuando dices, vamos, pinche Daniel lo pasó.
Falló, a esa la ganó Daniel. Mi compadre ahí anda bien paniqueado. No, ya anda bien. No le suelta la pinche pata.
No, es que hasta acá viene patinando ya.
No le suelta, que le poquito, que le haga.
Se durmió en la luz.
Viene haciendo, mira.
¿Qué opinas tú?
Me van a matar ahorita.
Eres pedaleas en caliente.
We're gonna find out what happens. I don't know, guys. The first race, what the hell happened to the camera?
Mira quién
I
viene
don't know, the
adelante.
SD card didn't want to record it for some reason.
No, I did.
Esta troca nunca se va a pescar así con esos llantas.
Hey, what happened?
En la troca salí bien despacito y estuvo en el piso allá y haciendo un desmadre.
It started misfiring.
Omar, LS don't break.
Hey, but you were stepping on it or what?
Yeah, like it was like misfiring, like it wouldn't shift or some shit.
Okay, punk out money, $20 or what?
Oh, you owe him coffee.
Let's go. Again.
Damn, that was your idea too.
Coffee for a week. I love
Hey,
pound.
there's always that $1 coffee. I never said which one.
No, you said Starbucks.
It's still $1.
Okay.
Hey, it's still $1 with that.
All right, guys. So this was the race. Omar got one. Danny got one. I think we need to come back both on the drag pack.
Yep.
Yeah. We gotta come back with both of them on the drag pack because he's spinning, Danny's spinning. Either that or take him to the track and run him at the track.
I mean, she's still running. She's still good.
But what happened? Where were you going? Wah,
Like
wah.
that wasn't me. It was like literally like it wouldn't. That was what was going on. It wouldn't go. I was already gapping him, and then that shit started fucking up on me. And I was like, fuck.
No, wait.
No, güey.
Te quema los dedos, vale.
Ya sabemos, vale.
Did more modifications. Yeah, I don't know about. All y'all need to see is this little thing.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of modifications on that one too.
You put nitrous on it or what, Omar?
Ah,
Yeah,
le
it's
puso
right
un
here, bro, it's right
pinche
here.
coder intake,
It has that
güey.
stuffing in it, bro.
Tenía el stock.
Oh, le echó más
Oh, yeah.
filter, güey.
That's all you did? Colder
There's some other stuff. I'm just not gonna say it. Fuck.
But what's wrong with it? Why did it do that?
I don't know. Even Morro saw that shit. I was like, what the fuck? And I was right there close to the line too.
You know what you need next? You already swapped it from a V6 to a V8. Now you gotta swap it to a LS.
No.
LS don't break.
It's still running and you lost the first one.
All right.
The second one.
That's because the
It might
truck-
didn't break. I can
maybe
still go.
Maybe the truck felt sorry for you. That's
You want
why.
to keep going or what?
He saw you try to kick me. That's
Hey,
not
you
bad.
want you want to do another roll?
You want to do the third one?
I'll do a roll.
Do a 30 roll.
I'll do a roll. Yeah.
I can do it. There you go.
I'll
Let's
do-
go, Omar.
Let's go.
I'll leave it.
Eso, compadre.
I'll leave
Hey,
it on.
listo weight reduction, mira.
Sí, güey.
I'll leave it
Hey,
on.
but tomorrow, Danny.
Shout out to RM Tuning, my tuner that tunes
Okay.
this one.
Hey,
So
tomorrow.
we go for the Starbucks 1 week.
Yeah. So tomorrow we want to get it on video that you're gonna go over there and bring him the coffee. That way people know you pay.
Yeah, he already loves the coffee. Now you're gonna okay, un sandwichito también. Otra semana.
No,
You're lucky she's not breaking down too bad. I'm not gonna
All right, come on, get on. Let's get it.
Aquí nomás chingando y como que ya se le va.
Sí, güey, se miró que ganó Daniel.
¿Sí?
Guys, that's crazy, man.
Hijo de la
Whoever
madre.
turns back quicker is the one who wins always.
Yeah.
El que Pedro.
Oye. ¿Quién ganó, güey? Sí, güey, se miró que Daniel bajó primero.
¿Qué pasó, güey?
Me chingó.
¿Sí? Deme, voy. Vamos pues para Silver Bullet tiene que venir.
¿Cuánto, Daniel?
Como por un bumper.
No mames,
Ya
sí.
le iba ganando, me iba pasando. Otra vez pegando
No
un
Si
poquito.
hubiera estado más larga, ¿lo hubieras ganado?
Nah. Iban
¿A un
pegaditas.
punto no lo pasaste, güey?
A un punto lo pasé, pero después se quedaron pegadas.
Sí, yo dije, no, ganó Daniel.
Daniel, pero arriba le ibas alcanzando o qué, güey?
Se te acabaron. Iban así,
Se
iban
te acabó
así.
el cambio,
Nah, el pedo es de que patina. De que patina y valió madres.
Patines también. Where's your excuse at? You saw me fish tail? What?
I think I'll get you at the
I'll take the both of you.
I still gotta get you at the track. It's not, I thought it was faster.
It was actually misfiring again. Like just
Nah,
the-
it was
no,
misfiring.
it did. Like it
Nah.
literally like hit me
Hey,
two times.
you was next to me. You were next to
Hold
me.
on, but it hit me 2 times and you started catching in. You
It
started
sounded
pulling
like
in.
it.
Omar took the win from a dig.
Yeah, he took it.
It's 1-1. From a roll, ganó Omar.
Well, technically 2-1 because I got you
Okay,
started.
look. This is what we're gonna do. This is what
I
we're
got
gonna get.
two, you got one.
No excuses, no excuses.
That's not an excuse. That's his excuse.
But we're
Okay.
gonna see at the track.
Hey,
100 bucks.
Ah, you're sweaty.
100 bucks.
He's
100
sweaty.
bucks. 100 bucks.
okay, look.
$100.
Okay.
Oh, 2 weeks coffee.
Okay, look. We got 1 month. Danny's gonna do everything he can to his truck, and Omar's gonna do everything he wants to his truck.
I'm just gonna add a manifold.
So if Danny adds nitrous and a nice drag pack,
Oh,
you
well,
hits
when
up.
it comes down to nitrous, I mean, I can't do. I mean, yeah.
what you got a nitrous?
I'll play, but you know.
No. It's
I'm-
gonna be wrong what you brung.
Oh, I'll run it. I'll throw in the stuffing.
In a month?
In a month.
How much, bro? Omar, in a month, 200 bucks.
Okay,
No.
so
Ready? No. Yeah, you shake
200
it.
bucks. Yeah, you shake it. You shake it, my boy.
I didn't shake it. I slapped it.
guys, we might even tell everybody what day we're gonna do it at the track so everybody can show up.
Oh, sí.
Put me on the spot. Why don't you shit?
Hey, Omar,
Bro, feel sorry for me. My light doesn't work, bro.
Who gives a fuck?
Feel
Look,
sorry for me.
You can put a gang of stuff on this truck. If you're gonna change the manifold, get it retuned.
Come for you, Oscar. Come for you.
At the
The
track,
store's near
a month.
you. Your truck won't even be ready by then.
En la
but
calle o
okay.
en el track, lo que quieras.
I'll race you on the track, güey.
A ver, Omar anda bien recio ya, ahora sí.
I love it
ya
when a
es otro
plan
pedo,
comes
este ya
together.
Hey, ¿no fue usted con el Hellboy?
Ahí está la carrera.
Hey, didn't your Lamborghini want y'all race now? Y'all got turbos?
But
It ain't- he just made fun of you, bro. He
No,
just
it
said
ain't no
it's in the
race. Hey, are you gonna race him or no?
You race him, I race him. First you race him, and I'll race him.
Dude, I'll give you the bridge versus the Lambo versus the truck.
Fucking bridge.
Give you the bridge.
No,
You
the-
beat me with the bridge on the Shelby. I'll give you a bridge versus the Lambo.
Boy, you better give me 10 bridges. The fuck?
I wanna lock in a race against JR. It's a 4-cylinder way.
Creo que sí es chotón.
No mames.
No seas mamón, toto.
Ay, morro.
Okay, so ¿qué, JR?
Morro.
You don't wanna race a Honda?
Fuck no, I need fucking boost. I seen the video with him in the Lamborghini last time. No.
The Lamborghini will stop.
Sí,
How
güey.
about you do this? We race, but you do. I'm gonna go. No, then fuck you.
No. Hey, no. No, wait, hey, you can negotiate that day.
He wouldn't even. What was I?
Pues yeah, you get a roll and he gets a roll.
Quiere ir dando yo
Stop throwing
parado y
excuses,
luego que
JR.
le...
You're
I'm gonna drive.
boosted.
No. What you could do is do a roll, and he gives you like 2 cars in the hit.
Yeah.
Oh, ahí está.
That'd be good.
Nice venue,
Omar, I don't want you to lose. I want it to be a fair race. That's why I gave you 5 cars versus
I'll just do
Shelby.
it just for the fuck of it. For what?
$100 if you want.
500
Yeah, me dolió.
100. All right, guys. So comment down below what we gonna do and what races y'all want to see, cause it's time. It's time to run all these cars again. More upgrades coming.